Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify scanner status using Windows Fax and Scan, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Windows computer. Click on the Start menu located at the bottom left of your screen. Type Windows Fax and Scan in the search bar. Select Windows Fax and Scan from the search results. Once the application opens, look for the New Scan option. Click on New Scan to begin the process. Next, ensure that your scanner is powered on and connected to your computer. In the New Scan window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Scanner. Click this drop-down menu to view a list of available scanners. Select the scanner you want to verify. After selecting the scanner, check the settings for your scan. Choose the type of scan you want, such as color, black and white, or grayscale. Adjust the resolution settings if needed. Now, click on the Preview button to see how the scan will look. Once the preview is complete, you can make any adjustments necessary. After reviewing the preview, click on the Scan button. The scanner will now begin scanning your document. Wait for the process to finish. Once the scanning is complete, the scanned document will appear in the Windows Fax and Scan interface. To verify the status of your scanner, look for any error messages. If there are no error messages, your scanner is functioning properly. If you encounter issues, check your scanner's connection and ensure it is set as the default device. You can also access your printer settings to verify the scanner status. To do this, right-click the Start menu and select Settings. Navigate to Devices and then click on Printers and Scanners. Review the scanner's status and check for specific errors if needed. Now you have successfully verified your scanner status using Windows Fax and Scan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.